Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Trish. I go by Trish Plants on Instagram and Pinterest. Used to have a Facebook, but I don't anymore. So if this is your first time here and you like what you see, subscribe and see if I put up more videos. Sometimes I get a little busy, so I haven't put up one in a while, but since I got this new Be Happy Disney box, I just couldn't wait. So I'm excited. Okay, so I just ordered this Happy Planner, Be Happy Planner box. It's a Disney floral box, I believe. I saw a few previews online, but I didn't really look at it too much. I'm a huge fan of Disney either way, and I'm an even bigger fan of Happy Planner, so I just figured I'd go ahead and buy it. And I probably couldn't hate what was in there, so let's cross our fingers and see if we do. So, alrighty, so it does come in this super cute Disney box, which I am actually going to keep. So, and maybe put some planner stuff in it. I'm starting to run out of room in my office, so, and I clearly won't stop buying planner things, so I actually just bought another one of these today, so I'm super excited, as if I really need to, but that's kind of just how things go, isn't it? Alright, and try not to rip this sticker. Okay, yeah, it's just gonna rip. I have another one coming, so I'm okay. Yeah, let's try it. Okay. Oh, see, I love florals and I love Disney, so this together was a no-brainer for me. So, oh, it's super cute. So this is the Life is Beautiful. And it shows what comes in here. So it comes with a classic notebook, some filler paper, 4 sticker sheets, vision board, a pen pouch, a large sticky notepad, an embroidered sticker. There's a metal champagne disc, a pen holder, a bookmark, and a folder. So, ooh, super exciting. Such a cute little card. I'm going to hang that up somewhere. Okay, so first we'll get to the accessory goodies. I'm sorry if you're seeing a little bit of my knee poking out. It's hot here in Texas, and they're asking us to turn down the air. So. Alrighty, so this one is like a little pen loop for your planner or your notebook, which is cute. I don't have one of these yet, so I'm actually pretty excited. Oh, this is a pretty sticker. Ooh, I love embroidery and cross stitching. I love to cross stitch. I haven't done it in a while. My hands just aren't what they used to be, but oh, this is so pretty. I love this. I have no idea where I'm going to put that. I'm probably never going to use it because I'm too afraid to. Alright, so big sticker, post-it notes. I don't use a lot of post-it notes. I do when I'm like pre-planning, but not a lot during, but these might be kind of cute for notes for my employees when I leave in a couple weeks. So, oh, this is cute. So it's a little pen pouch. It's got the strap so you can put it on your planner or your notebook, and it's got these little Mickeys. How cute! Sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. My phone decided it was going to be too hot to use the light, so I had to improvise. Okay. So all these super cute, like foil Mickey and Minnie stickers. Oh, it's adorable. There's another set. This one's not floral. It's just kind of colored. So like there's a little green with a little green section and the pink. Super cute. So it's basically the same sheet, just foiled. And then, oh, some cute little florals. They're so dainty. Look, there's little Mickey florals. Aren't those cute? Those are adorable. Can you see those? I'm like holding them right. Anyway. Okay, so here's a bookmark, which I really like because it's like Mickey, but it's subtle. Alrighty, here's the folders. So I really don't use folders in my planner. I mean, I guess somebody's gonna have to show me what they do with their folders. I don't know what to do with mine, but that one's really cute. Okay, so these must be the vision boards. So this one says just bloom, and it's got some goals here, how you can achieve your dreams, what makes you feel inspired. That's super cute. Alrighty. This one says never let go of your dreams, and it says stop and smell the wildflowers, which is super cute too. And then we've got the filler paper, which is this cute, very floral side, but if you're not a big Disney person, you know, there's not really many, like, well, there's Mickey on the back, I guess, but on the front it doesn't have Mickey. I guess you can cover it up if you wanted to. Okay, and then, so these are the champagne metal discs. I gotta tell you, I don't really switch out my discs too often. I guess I should. Maybe I will. We'll see. But these are really cute because they're not the gold. They're kind of like that lighter champagne color, it looks like. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah, so it's like a, you know, lighter, more muted gold champagne color like it says, but pretty cute. Alright, let me put that up. Now I'm not going to be able to get it shut. Okay, shut. Alright. And I doubt this is anything, but I will make sure. Yeah, that's just filler. Okay. And then here is the notebook. So I have a whole bunch of notebooks and I don't really use them like I should. So I'm kind of trying to remedy that a little bit more. So it says find joy in the journey. Looks like it's a lined layout. There are 3 dividers. That one says let your dreams blossom. And let me see if I can get this off without popping it. Cool. And then, oh, and stop and smell the flowers. So they're double-sided. Super cute. And then just kind of a floral pink lined paper. This one's just going to have the floral and the Mickey on it, which is cute on both sides. Again, with the floral lined paper. And then it looks like this one says stay true to you. And then when you flip it over, it's got the floral Mickeys on it. And then just in case, I think I had this out of camera view. So that's the second divider with the florals and Mickey. So super, super, super cute. And I love this cover. Like, I love that the back is like covered in florals and Mickey. And then the front, I just love Mickey and Minnie. It's just super cute. They're just adorable. Lots of love. Anywho, so that is all that came with the box. So I am super excited to use this. I did buy an extra box. I might give it away. We'll see what happens. You know, maybe if I can get my YouTube membership up or something, I might give it away. I also have a Be Happy Valentine's Day box I need to figure out what I'm going to do with too. So maybe I'll give away both of them. Who knows? Anywho, well, there we go. That was the Be Happy Disney Floral Box. So I'm super excited to use it. So I appreciate you guys staying in and watching me unbox this. I'm sure you've seen a lot of unboxing about this, but you know, everybody's different. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.